Question 2 shouldn't present us with any problems. It's a standard right-angle triangle, mystery length, and we can use Pythagoras to find that mystery length. So I can say 52 squared, being the hypotenuse and the longest, is equal to the other two squared, which is 30 squared plus x squared. Rearranging, don't use the calculator yet, x squared is equal to 52 squared minus 30 squared. And that turns out to be 1804. Therefore, I can say x is equal to the square root of 1804, and that is equal to 42.4735. On it goes, and therefore x is equal to three significant figures. We're going to do the cut here. So x is equal to 42.5, and that is your answer.